Today I'm going to show you how to remove a sticky residue from a broken BMW headlight using Googone. A microfiber towel and hot soapy water using turtle wax, quick and easy car wash and wax. So this is what the first half looks like. Again, this here is where I already tested the Googone. So this is just the first half. You can see all the sticky residue on there. The headlight was damaged, and to prevent water from seeping in and messing up the headlight further, duct tape was applied a few times and it just didn't turn out too well. So as you can see so far, this entire region has already been cleaned. It's super smooth and shiny. So we have this entire part to still clean. So wish us luck. So again, you want to pre-test it. On here it's going to say apply Googone, wipe, soften, clean with soap and water. The only problem is that there's a giant hole here, so I can't directly apply the Googone. So I'm gonna have to do is on the microfiber towel, I'm gonna have to spray it. And because there's been a few layers of tape, I'm gonna have to spray a good amount, and I'm just patting it on there. I'm not wiping it, because the problem I've seen with other YouTube videos is they probably applied it and wiped it, which didn't give them the desired results they wanted. I'm just patting it in, and I'm doing small sections because something like this is going to take time. So I'm not letting it sit per se. I'm going to get my hot soapy water, and we're just gonna scrub it. And you want to do this part pretty quickly. You want to scrub with the hot soapy water and then go in with your dry microfiber and wipe right away. So it's almost like you're buffing away the soap and the Googone. You really gotta put some muscle in it. Okay. Very good. Perfect. So, again, if you see down here, we still have a lot of tape to remove. Up here, a lot of tape to remove. But you want to just make sure you're giving it a nice buffing so that there's absolutely no residue left behind. Look at that. It's a brand new headlight, aside from, of course, our gaping hole. So this is probably one of the stickiest areas of this headlight. It's going to be super satisfying to remove. Be right back. Alright, this is our end result. All the goo is gone.